All right, let's talk about David Bach's The Automatic Millionaire. This is a really different way to think about building wealth. The big promise here is that it can work without painful budgets, without needing superhuman discipline, and even if you're not making a ton of money. So how does it all work? Let's find out.
Okay, first things first, let's tackle a huge financial myth. This idea you sometimes hear that renting is actually smarter than buying a home. You know the argument, you don't have to pay for taxes or maintenance, and you can just invest the money you save. But according to David Bach, that very common belief, it could be costing you an absolute fortune.
And you know, the numbers here, they tell a pretty shocking story. In America, the average homeowner has a net worth of over $400,000, and the average renter, just 10 grand. That is a 40 times difference. It's staggering. Bach's point couldn't be clearer. Owning a home isn't just about having a place to live. For most people, it's one of the main ways they build real wealth.
But really, this whole debate about buying a home versus renting, it points to a much bigger problem, one that keeps millions and millions of people from ever getting ahead financially. And David Bach has a name for it, the no-plan problem.
I mean, get this, a crazy 7 out of 10 people are living paycheck to paycheck. And we're not talking about a small group here. That is the huge majority of people. For so many of us, it feels like money just comes in and then vanishes, right? And at the end of the month, you're left feeling stuck with not much to show for all that hard work. And this quote from him just hits the nail on the head. A no plan means there's no system in place. Money comes in, money goes out, and that's it. It's basically the financial version of just treading water, and man, is it exhausting. But what if the answer wasn't some crazy, complicated budget?
And that right there is where the Automatic Millionaire system comes in. The whole idea is to set up a financial plan that pretty much runs itself on autopilot. It's designed to make good financial habits completely effortless. So let's break down exactly how you do it. So, it all boils down to 3 really simple but incredibly powerful steps. Number 1, pay yourself first. What does that mean? It means the first chunk of your paycheck, say the first hour of your income every day, goes straight to you, to your investments, before the government, the landlord, or anyone else gets a dime. 2, you automate the whole thing so that money moves without you ever touching it or even thinking about it. And 3, you do this using tax-advantaged retirement accounts, which helps that money grow way, way faster.
And here is the most important part of this whole thing. Bach says that unless your plan is automatic, it is going to fail. And it makes sense, right? Willpower comes and goes, budgets are a pain, and most people give up on them. Even the government knows this. It's why they take taxes out of your paycheck automatically. Automation is the secret sauce. It takes discipline completely out of the equation and just guarantees you'll be consistent.
Okay, so this all sounds great in theory, but what does it actually look like in the real world? Let's take a look at a really powerful example of how these tiny, almost invisible habits can add up to life-changing money.
Let me ask you a question. Just think about it for a second. How much money do you think you'd have to spend or waste every single day to throw away $10,000 in 1 year? $100 a day? 50? What's your guess?
The answer is just $27.40 a day. That's it. For a lot of us, that's maybe lunch out, a couple of fancy coffees, or a drink after work. It seems like nothing, right? But this is what he calls the latte factor. It's all the small, mindless spending that just drains your wealth away without you even realizing it. But what if you invested that money instead?
And here is where it gets absolutely incredible. This is the wow moment. If you took that same $27.40 a day and automatically invested it in the stock market, over a 40-year career, it could grow to over $4.4 million. That's based on historical market returns. It's not a guarantee, but it just shows you the mind-blowing power of small automatic contributions compounded over time.
And you know what? This principle of automation, it's not just for building wealth. It is also one of the most powerful tools you can use to get out of debt, which for so many people is the very first step to getting any kind of financial freedom.
So, for debt, Bach recommends something called the DOLP method. That stands for Done on Last Payment. It's a really simple strategy, and it's all about creating momentum. You see, by focusing on your smallest debts first, you score these quick psychological wins that actually keep you fired up and motivated to keep going. So here's how it works. First, you just list out all your debts from the smallest balance to the biggest. Second, you set up automatic minimum payments on every single one of them. This is key, so you never miss a payment. Then you take every extra penny you can find and you throw it all at that one smallest debt until it's completely gone. And once it's paid off, you take that entire payment amount and you roll it onto the next smallest debt. You see how that creates this huge debt-destroying snowball? It's powerful stuff.
So look, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's not about depriving yourself or being a genius with spreadsheets. It's about making a few smart decisions once and then putting the whole system on autopilot. That's what real financial freedom looks like.
So I'll just leave you with this really powerful thought from David Bach. Over the course of your life, you're probably going to work around 90,000 hours. Millions of dollars are going to pass right through your hands. So the only question that really matters is, what's your automated plan to make sure you get to keep some of it for yourself?